Namaskaram and a very good evening. We are having Shubha Garu, mother of Dikshita, our super student. Shubha Garu, last time you were here was 3 months ago and you dropped your daughter for CA inter preparation. Now you are here to pick her up. What are the top three changes you have observed in her?
See, definitely there's more positive changes actually. She is more productive.
Yeah.
That is what first I should tell. And she could apply whatever she has learned. She could apply whatever she has learned in effective method.
Yes.
Because whatever methodology you follow is all helping her. Like mind mapping, the revision pattern itself is a good pattern. Whatever you have learned, that 1 week you have to summarize. And you have everything. So that had helped her a lot. It would not, I can't tell 1, 2, 3 and all, but definitely it's a productive way of learning.
So one is about the academic part where she wrote her exams reasonably well. Now coming about the personality part, because we offer two things. One is your academic or career journey, and apart from that, overall personal journey. So in terms of the personality development, what are the improvements you have seen?
She has interacted with many other, not only in intergroup, foundation and final. So there will be many things to learn from each one of them. She has learned many things how to by they have been helping final students. Also been helping, and she has been also helping others. So by that they can exchange. So that sort of a learning is always nice. Whatever you have got, you have to tell others, and what you should receive, you should be in a receivable end also. That interaction is always helpful. I should tell that not only in this is a classroom, not a classroom learning. As I have told, I have got many terms to tell, like chai pe charcha, walk a talk, and whatever. So it definitely, interesting things. So kids will learn different types, how to make them learning more effective.
Yes. Ma'am, now there are three things which all the moms have in common. Number one, sending their daughter out of home. Now staying in Hyderabad. Quickly, why did you send her? And are you satisfied with the decision of sending her even after staying in Hyderabad?
Definitely. That is why we have taken a decision. See, kids should, as I have told, kids should come out of their comfort zone. They have lived in a cocoon actually.
Yeah.
They have to break. For that, we need to be free. See, everybody will, after finishing their 12th, you are aiming for engineering now. Then you are planning for them to put in a best of best college. So you need, anyway you are planning them for an hostel life.
Yes.
So be prepared for that. 24 hours you are there with them, and the comfort you are providing is too good. And ma'am is also there. She is a doctor, so she is there to help them in or consoling them in other ways also.
Yes,
so definitely parents can move forward and think in a positive way, and they can send daughters. There's no doubt. Definitely it is a good decision forward. I have sent my daughter, so you can also, having sent my daughter, I can vouch you. So please take a positive decision. It will help you a lot.
Thanks for clarifying this. My final question, like you always have an option of sending them only during exams, but then both of you believe the longer term, which we're talking about, the 3-year thing where we take care of the complete personality, personal life. So how do you think that will benefit them over and above preparing for the exams?
See, that's what, no, only sending them before exam won't help them to nurture what they've learned. So you have been imparting them the skills. The skills, definitely it should be effective in exams. So before exams only I will do the revision part, it won't get into mind. It's slowly, you are injecting them how to write the exam, how to see that 3 hours or 2 hours, whatever the time frame is, will get only by learning. That won't get, while if you go there and if you get tense, nothing. Whatever you have done is chopped. So you have to follow a proper way. For that, you need that much time to prepare yourself mentally. And you need that time as a coach. You need that time to stabilize their mentally.
Yes, ma'am.
So definitely it is not only before exams, it is that 3 months, whatever, how many months you need to mature yourself for exams is more important.
Fabulous answer, ma'am. And last question, I think, because it is in the mind today, there is a CS student who came to us and she'll be joining for final. Now, until now, father is also a chartered accountant. So they tried out various things where he is a very capable person. He thought he could help her out. But eventually that did not work out. Now, I'm seeing this in a lot of families where dads are smart and they help a lot of people, but then when it comes to daughters, it's not able to happen. So why do you think it is not happening? What do you think it is different here?
Skills you follow is different.
Okay.
Definitely there will be an interactive session at home, but it won't be effective.
Okay.
As a teacher, you can only impart certain things. As a parent, we can only tell them certain things.
Right.
And definitely there will be some loopholes. They will also, Papa, na, okay, 2 minutes, I will take a rest.
Right.
And you will also, okay, I can't make them see. Effectively, he can share the knowledge, but he can't impart.
Impart, yes, I understand.
So that is more necessary from a tutor.
Okay.
So that student-teacher relationship is different than a parent-student. It won't help actually.
So thank you for giving very, very articulate and clear-cut answers which will solve a lot of queries for parents.
Yeah.
And my special regard and warm gratitude from the HLS team for being a super parent. You trusted us when it wasn't easy. So that way it was really helpful for us to...
Yes, please, you can come forward. Having experienced this, you can get benefited actually. All the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.